Jagadev students. Students, today we will continue the same chapter, that is the social responsibility of business. Social responsibility of business, you can understand that the business firm has some social responsibility, some obligations towards society, towards community, towards the consumer, and that business has to follow if he wants to survive for a longer period. अगर वो ज़्यादा समय तक बिजनेस बनाए रखना चाहता है, बिजनेस में अपनी कंटिन्यूटी बनाए रखना चाहता है, अपनी गुडविल बनाए रखना चाहता है, तो every businessman has to follow their social responsibility. Now, what are the social responsibility of businessmen towards different groups, different persons? Like social responsibility towards different interest groups are, सबसे पहला first है responsibility towards shareholders and owners. This is the first responsibility of every businessman, that responsibility towards their investors, towards shareholders and the owners of the business. It is the duty of the every businessman that to give them fair return on their investment, and also they should disclose each and everything about the business to the shareholders or to the owners of the business, that he should not hide any facts about the business, any decision about the business, and everything should be very clear. Even they should do the business in such a way that the shareholders should get good return on their investment. बिजनेस की ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है बिजनेसमैन की, जो शेयर होल्डर्स है, जो ओनर्स ऑफ द बिजनेस है, जिसने बिजनेस में पैसा लगाया है, उनको बिजनेस का जो पैसा है वो प्रॉपरली रिटर्न उनका वापस से उनको टाइमली रिटर्न मिलता रहे, और जितना उन्होंने लगाया उनसे कुछ ज़्यादा ही मिले. सो दिस इज द सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ एवरी बिजनेसमैन, दैट he should give proper investment, proper return to their shareholders and owners of the business, and also should discuss each and every matter of the business to the shareholders, and should disclose all the facts regarding business. Second is responsibility towards consumers. Consumers are the main supreme in the every businessman, because without consumers no business can take place. If consumers are there, then it is the backbone of every businessman. So it is a social responsibility of businessmen to take care of their consumer. बिजनेस में ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है कि उनके कंज्यूमर्स को सेटिस्फाइड करना, दैट इज कंज्यूमर सेटिस्फेक्शन इज द मेन मोटो ऑफ एवरी बिजनेसमैन, एंड ही कैन सेटिस्फाई द कस्टमर्स ओनली when he will provide the good quality products to the customers, and also it not will be much expensive. It should be of proper advertisement should be given to the product, the information should be given to the consumer about the product, about the quality of the product, about the use of the product, and also after sales services are also provided to the customers. So every businessman must have responsibility toward their customers, that customers can be satisfied, whatever the demand of the customer, it should be fulfilled, and the product should be manufactured according to the requirement of the consumers. Means while making a survey of the taste and preference of the customers, then the businessman can produce goods, and also provides quality services to the consumers, and also not to mislead the consumers about false advertisement. बिजनेस में जो एडवर्टाइजमेंट होता है प्रोडक्ट का, वो एडवर्टाइजमेंट सही होना चाहिए ताकि कंज्यूमर्स को सही चीज़ पता चल सके, एंड should not do any kind of fraud or unfair practices with the customer. Because now customer is aware, so businessman must also have to aware about what should be the responsibility of the businessman towards कंज्यूमर्स के लिए उसकी जो भी जिम्मेदारी बनती है, जो भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनती है, उसको प्रॉपरली उसे फॉलो करना चाहिए, उसको सही गुड क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट्स अवेलेबल कराना चाहिए. प्लस इट शुड नॉट बी ऑफ द गुड्स शुड नॉट बी इन्फीरियर क्वालिटी, एंड ऑल्सो द प्राइस शुड बी फेयर, एंड इट शुड नॉट मीन्स उनका जो नाम है वो ख़राब नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर इफ द बिजनेसमैन इज डूइंग दिस रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, फॉलोइंग हिज रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, सो इट विल इंक्रीज द नेम एंड फेम ऑफ द businessman. The next responsibility of the businessman is towards responsibility workers. Responsibility of the businessman towards workers. Yes, every business firm has some social responsibility towards their workers also, because workers can produce goods, then only the business can take place. तो वर्कर्स जब सारा काम करते हैं, वर्कर्स दे आर डूइंग द प्रोडक्शन, वर्कर्स आर प्रोड्यूसिंग गुड्स, so businessmen must have to take care of their needs, about their duties towards workers. They should provide good environment to the business. Working hours should not be too much, and they should take some democratic rights of the business workers should be taken into mind. And there are the labor unions are there, those who are working for the welfare of the workers. So businessmen को भी वर्कर्स के वेलफेयर में काम करना चाहिए, वर्कर्स को बिजनेस का ये पार्ट समझना चाहिए, एंड ऑल्सो दे शुड गेट देम फेयर वेजेस, उनको प्रॉपरली टाइमली उनका पेमेंट करना चाहिए, टाइमली उनको सैलरीज वेजेस वगैरह प्रोवाइड करनी चाहिए, एंड ऑल्सो दे शुड रिस्पेक्ट देयर फीलिंग्स ऑल्सो, एंड इन टाइम्स ऑफ नीड्स द वर्कर शुड बी गिवन प्रॉपर help the whatever needed by the from the firm. So it is the responsibility of the firm that he should take care of their workers also, should whatever the workers needed, what if sure it should be in the welfare of the workers should do, and also providing good working condition, good environment in the business, and also they are free to do the work. That means there should not be much restriction on doing the work, and also we should provide them good proper wages, proper salaries, and also other, not only should remuneration should be given in cash, but some remuneration should be given in terms of kinds also, like medical facility should be given to the workers, and some businessmen also can provide them housing facilities, etc. So this is a social responsibility of every businessman to take care of their workers also. Now the next will be the responsibility of the businessman. Business towards government and community. It is the important responsibility of every businessman that she should take care of the responsibilities of the business towards government and the community also. Governments are charging taxes from to the firms, and the firms has the responsibility to pay the taxes in time, and tax evasion should not be there. Whatever will be the taxes charged on them, they should give them properly, and also towards community, that they should take care of the feelings of the community also, that community business while doing production, it should be kept in mind that it should not give pollute the environment, and also social welfare should be taken into mind while doing the production work, and should provide them quality products to the community, and also take care of the feelings of the community, that they should not hurt the religious feelings of the community. Advertisement should be in such a way that it should not have any disrespect of any religion, of any caste, and good quality services, good quality goods should be provided to the community, and also pay the taxes of the government in time. Timely payment of taxes will be there, no tax evasion, and also whatever the rules and regulations framed by the government, it should be followed by the businessman properly. जो भी गवर्नमेंट ने रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस बनाए गए हैं बिजनेस करने के लिए, बिजनेस की पॉलिसीज के लिए, इंडस्ट्रियल पॉलिसीज के लिए, तो बिजनेस को वो सारी रूल्स फॉलो करनी चाहिए, एंड ऑल्सो रिस्पेक्ट द गवर्नमेंट एंड द कम्युनिटी. So this is the social responsibility of the businessman towards different interest groups, those who are attached with the business firms. And now business has not only the responsibility of these groups, but business has some responsibility towards environment also. Yes, environmental protection, business and environmental protection. Business and environmental protection, you know that business production work should be going on, should be carried on, but it should not pollute the environment. So this is the responsibility of every businessman, that he should kept in mind that he should take care of the environment also. Environment, you know, the surroundings around us, land, water, air, resources, fauna and flora, everything will be coming in the environment. So environment, the quality of the environment should not be deteriorated. Generally what we are doing, we are doing the production work, and from this production work, some production activities are such that it will pollute the environment too much. The smoke coming out from the chimneys, and the waste material coming out from the industries, it will pollute the water, it will pollute the air, and creates different kinds of air pollution. Pollution not only destroyed the quality of life, but also it destroyed the biological means जो physical changes है, chemical changes हैं, biological process है, ये सब चीज़ जो है पूरी तरह से डिप्लीट होती जा रही है, डिट्रॉयशन हो रहा है इन सब चीज़ों का. That means our physical resources, human resources, man-made resources, natural resources are depleted. They should be destroyed by the environmental pollution. सो पॉल्यूशन कंट्रोल करना जो है ये भी एक सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है बिजनेस की. दैट बिजनेस एंड एनवायरमेंटल प्रोटेक्शन आर वर्क्स टुगेदर, दे आर कॉम्प्लीमेंटरी टू ईच अदर. if the businessman is thinking of production only and not thinking of the environmental productions in that environment which he is also living, so environment will be, the quality of environment will be deteriorated और environment हमारा रहने लायक नहीं रहेगा. So it should be the responsibility that every businessman must follow the pollution control techniques while doing the production, and waste management should be properly done. You all know that that absorption capacity of the environment is very less. If we are polluting the environment continuously, and the pollution, lot of pollution will not be depleted, it will not be absorbed by the environment. So this waste material will harm the environment, harm the quality of life, harm the health of the people, and also it will harmful effects. It will create many kind of diseases also. So we have to, while doing the production, the business firm has to think about pollution control techniques, and he should do the business according to so that the very less quantity of pollution will be there in that production work, and he should manage the waste properly. Waste management technique should be applied in the business, and the pollution control technique should be used, so that it is only in this way he can in protection, the businessman can protect the environment. Environmental protection only done when the businessman has followed all the social responsibilities towards community, towards people, and he is following the to protect the environment from using the waste management techniques properly, and also the production technique should be environmental friendly, eco-friendly technique should be used, and such technique should not be used which creates more smokes, more pollution in the environment.